Ravi is also an engineer. Very bad at it, but he is
I
an
wouldn't say
engineer.
so.
You
What
are.
kind? What kind?
Electronics and telecom. Really?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
EXTC.
Which college?
DJ Sangvi.
DJ Sangvi. I'm from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of
Oh,
Technology.
my
RGIT.
sister college.
All
Good
of these
to meet
people
you.
have done nothing related to engineering. They have only
But
wasted seats.
that's like all engineers, no?
You know who else is from RGIT? EXTC?
Vicky Kaushal
Yes.
is from RGIT, and many people from the industry have. In fact, Vicky was, I think, a year junior to me.
Oh, really?
So we used to bump into each other during Zodiac. Zodiac used to be our college festival,
Nice.
and so we met. We actually very briefly we spoke about it as well.
मतलब आपने और मैंने same exam दी है.
Same,
Okay, wow.
same.
Nice. I feel your
You
pain.
had D&D and BWE
yeah,
as
yeah,
subjects.
I failed in BWE.
So did you.
No, I didn't fail BWE. I failed the subject called mechanics.
अच्छा.
वो केटी मेरी पहले साल से लेकर के लास्ट ईयर ऑफ उस तक रही थी.
I think मेरे को mechanics में वो star pass मिला.
Star pass.
Yeah. Star anyway, almost failed.
Star pass and almost fail. Yeah.
मतलब grace marks से आपको pass
But
करा.
definitely, I mean, my percentage was not really off the roof. I also did my simultaneously because I was not really, I was okay-ish in my engineering, so I was also doing other things. So I did a course in journalism and mass communication as well during the same time.
Nice.
Subah engineering, raat ko journalism.
You've lucked out.
And I ended up,
No, it's great. It's great.
yeah.
Sorry, यहाँ ना I don't know whether this will make it to the final cut, but EXTC engineers का दर्द बहुत गहराई से
बहुत
महसूस
गहरा है
होता
भाई, बहुत गहरा है.
But let's go on. Sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
बहुत गहरा.
Sorry, we just had a moment.
पता नहीं क्या ही दर्द गहरा है क्यों लिया था अगर नहीं करना
जिसने इंजीनियरिंग नहीं की वो बंदा समझ ही नहीं सकता
Exactly.
कि क्या होता है इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ में.
Especially ये जो ADHD plus creative person within engineering college, it's an अलग.
The majority of the festivals that used to happen were robotic festivals here. They were robotic festivals. People were making cars and I don't know what, remote controlled cars and all of that. And I'm scratching my head. How are they doing it? फिर Zodiac होता था. Then everybody used to be looking for Ravi. नहीं, Ravi dance करेगा. Ravi dramatics में होगा. Ravi यहाँ होगा. उसके बाद irrelevant in the college for the rest of the year.
Back to the love
Back to
story.
the-
तो engineering करी,
जी.
फिर क्या हुआ?
Engineering करी और in the third year I started doing advertisements. कुछ समय तक वो चला. उसके बाद मैंने TV करना शुरू कर दिया. So in 2005-06 and incidentally the first television show that I did was produced by Sare ji and Dilip Saab. Dilip Kumar Saab and Sare ji used to have a production house at that time called Sharp Focus, if I remember correctly. And after a point of time, there were some location issues, so we started shooting at Dilip Saab's house only. And Dilip Saab was still in great health at that time, so this is 2005, so he was, God willing, still walking and talking, and he was very, तो बहुत बार हमारी बैठ करके उस वक्त बात भी होती थी. A lot of those, I really kind of tried my best to absorb that energy like a sponge.
एक tangent ले ले छोटा सा.
हाँ जी.
कैसे थे वो? In
कैसे
person, Dilip Kumar.
बहुत ही articulate, बहुत soft spoken, and हम I think कम बातें हुई, मतलब there were very brief occasions when we would sit down and chat, but there were few, and he was extremely soft spoken. How do I basically say that? These people with extremely high frequency, how they say something और वो आपकी life का फ़लसफ़ा बन जाता है. So he had that power. Everything he used to say at that time. मुझे एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी उस वक्त उस शो के अंदर. मुझे लगता था कि मैं एक there was a co-actor जिसका मैं बड़ा भाई बना था, and I was only 21. And so I went and shared with him. मैंने कहा जी मुझे कहता है कुछ पूछना है तुम्हें तो पूछो दिलीप साहब से. तो मैंने कहा जी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूँ एक बड़े भाई के रोल को, बिकॉज आई फील दैट आई डोंट हैव द डेप्थ और मैच्योरिटी to carry a role which is somebody's elder brother. And he's of course advanced in his life. I wouldn't say his age, but the one who was playing my younger brother, so he had far more exposure, so his eyes were more deeper, more experienced, and I felt mine was too frivolous and immature. So he said, no, there's nothing like that. This is a narrative you're giving yourself in your head, and if you counter that narrative, और अगर आप खुद को ये बताना शुरू कर दें कि नहीं आप वाकई में आपने दुनिया देखी है, वाकई में आपने ज़िंदगी जी है, तो वो आपकी आंखों में दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा. So I think that was really something I took back, and that can apply and percolate into virtually all performances.
Energy wise कैसे थे वो?
Very welcoming, soft, very soft. That's the word that comes to me. It may sound like a cliche, but he felt like family. So that's what comes to me immediately.
But did you pick up anything more?
I don't know if I was in the space in my life to ask questions that could really change my life. I think आज अगर मेरी किस्मत होती और मैं वाकई में उनसे I would have a rendezvous with him, then maybe my questions to him would be very different.
प्लस सरगुन के आने से पहले आप तुच्छ प्राणी थे.
तुच्छ प्राणी ही था मैं, बिल्कुल ही एकदम
अरे यार
फूड चेन में लोएस्ट.
See, on a surface level, it seems like I am insulting him, but we're just engineering.
No, we're just enjoying.
No, this is just how engineers talk to each other.
But you do absorb an environment. Whether even if you're not asking the right questions, sometimes the right answers are still coming to you. So, which find their application sometime later in your life.
Okay. I took something from you the first time we met.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's that?
बहुत बुरे mood में था.
Uh-huh.
And someone I was seeing at the time was also there. And we were also having a fight.
Okay.
But आपको देखकर दिल शांत हो गया.
Oh.
Yeah.
what did you do?
I don't know. We just met, but thank you if
You're too shant in terms of your energy. And I know people can feel it through the screen. Is this like evolution? या ये पहले भी ऐसे ही थे?
I mean, sometimes I lose it also.
Really?
Sometimes, yes. I mean,
रवि का गुस्सा कैसा है ना, जैसे आप सोडा बॉटल ओपन करते हो तो इतना ज़्यादा, एंड इट्स लाइक अ शेकन सोडा बॉटल, नॉट लाइक अ नॉर्मल सोडा बॉटल कि थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगा, नहीं. He'll literally he'll be all over the place for some time and then he'll automatically go back and be like, I'm sorry. मुझे गुस्सा आ गया. Like, you have to realize that उसका गुस्सा एकदम आता है और एकदम शांत हो जाता है. But जब लोग कैसे बुरा वक्त आता है या आपको लगता है कि आप जो आप चाह रहे हैं वो नहीं हो रहा है या आप लकी नहीं है, जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, या मुझे ये चाहिए और मिल नहीं रहा है, तो लोग बिटर हो जाते हैं ना. He doesn't do that. He sits and he meditates more.
do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have a sister. She's in Delhi. Married. I'm from a family of doctors. Like everyone's a doctor. So I'm the first engineer.
और
that's
तुम
a big-
engineer.
Yeah.
और
And
वो
you're
भी
not
कैसा
an engineer.
engineer?
हो के भी नहीं बने, हम लोग वो कैटेगरी के.
तुमने सिर्फ
आप भी
सीट
engineering
छेंकी है.
कौन सा? कंप्यूटर्स कहाँ से? Okay.
क्या आपने भी सीट छेंकी थी? क्या आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं उसके?
हमने तो सीट वेस्ट करी है यार. हमने तो सीट वेस्ट करी है.
नहीं, we are shan of engineers.
उस लिहाज से
We are the PR of Indian engineering colleges.
It's really bad PR, I must say. It's
No,
like
good
saying
PR,
I'm
yeah.
doing PR of actors, but I don't want anybody to become one because it was a torture.
Come and join my engineering college. That's the ad campaign. Huh? Come and join my engineering college. You'll become a star.
Not an engineer though.
It's great working with engineers.
I swear, man.
No?
And it is.
Next time
I
when
think
people come and say कि हम actor कैसे बने मैम, I'll be like engineering college join कर लो.
It's valid.
कॉलेज के टाइम पे वो गुबार निकलता नहीं ना, तो वो कॉलेज से निकलने के बाद निकलता है वो सारा.
Yeah, it's frustration that turns
सब
into art.
सब I'm sure there is something to it. Some equation somebody will draw out at some
Just
point of time.
random, you guys.
यार you haven't been in an engineering college.
Yeah.
I don't want to be. I never wanted to be.
Would you want your child to be?
I don't think so.
No? Oh, really?
Don't think so.
Ravi hates it so much.
You know, there's a lot of media personalities now who are from engineering.
Who didn't pursue it.
Yeah.
Who didn't
right?
pursue it. Why? Arunab, TVF,
Yeah,
he's an engineer. So many stand-up comics. I'm so surprised that a majority of the stand-up comedians are all engineers.
Yeah.
Boy.
Samay Raina.
He's an engineer?
Yeah,
From
Samay
where?
Raina is an engineer. From a college in Pune.
You're kidding me.
And
Okay.
he's done some random
Course also.
printing engineering or something. I didn't know that's
Why?
just for the
उस
degree.
टाइम पे हमारे टाइम पे एक कोर्स होता था ना, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन.
Yeah, it's
Relevant
same category.
Civil is still relevant. My father is a civil engineer.
Yeah.
That I'm sure is relevant.
नहीं,
बड़ी वरना
civil
कौन
has
बनाएगा
metamorphosized.
bridges?
Civil engineering, I think, has metamorphosized into many other things. So.
I know that AI engineering is now a new.
I just heard today morning. I heard and I was surprised.
Yeah.
मुझे कोई बता रहा था
Like-
AI की engineering हो रही है.
Yeah.
AI is a relevant stream in engineering. It's incredible. Yeah.
That I think stream is not what will give us a lot of actors. They'll give us AI actors.
नहीं वो AI actors नहीं सरगुन, वो बहुत levels पे अभी तो AI का application बहुत ही rudimentary है, जब और but it's growing exponentially, कुछ अलग ही बनने वाला है.